Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video I will demonstrate how to use AI tools to create your own stunning super image for free without using Midjourney or any other paid AI tools. With just this free AI tool, you will be able to generate an array of beautiful images as shown on the screen. Before proceeding, make sure to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Here are the steps to edit your photo using AI tool. First, open the website, that is www.photolab.me on your PC. Choose a predefined template for your image. Open the template. Click on the Apply to your photo button. Upload the image you want to edit. Wait for the processing to complete. Then your image has now been edited. To save the edited image, right-click on it and select Save Image As.